In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Xero data. If you need a clean copy of your chart of accounts for a backup to share with your bookkeeper or to move data into another system, Xero makes it quick to export. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can download the file with confidence. Start by opening the Xero website for your region. On the homepage, look for the login option and sign into your organization as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization if you have access to more than one, because the export will reflect whichever organization you're currently in. Once you're signed in, locate the top navigation and open the accounting menu. This is where Xero groups together the core financial features. From that menu, choose Chart of Accounts. This page lists every account your organization uses, assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses, along with codes and tax settings. Before you export, take a moment to scroll through the list and check that everything looks right. You might be confirming that account names and codes are up to date, that any recently added accounts appear, or that archived accounts are shown the way you expect. This quick review helps ensure your export reflects the latest setup and avoids surprises later when you share or analyze the file. When you're satisfied, find the export option on the Chart of Accounts page and click it. Xero will generate a file containing your chart. In most cases, your browser will download it automatically to your default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a location you'll remember. If the download doesn't start, check for a blocked pop-up or a banner at the top of the window and allow the download. Once the file is saved, open it to confirm the contents. You should see your account codes, names, account types, and related details laid out in a structured format that's ready for review or import into other tools. If you notice anything missing or mislabeled, return to the Chart of Accounts, make your adjustments, and repeat the export so your file reflects those changes. And that's it. You've navigated to the Chart of Accounts, reviewed your setup, and exported your data in just a few clicks. Keep this file with your regular bookkeeping records so you always have a snapshot of your accounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.